So depending on what you want to advertise online in your affiliate marketing campaigns, you need to decide whether or not you're going to join a network or you're going to set up a direct relationship with a merchant. So the first place I want to talk about was Vault Media Network. This is a network that we own. If you come to vaultmedia.com, you can click here on publishers and sign up. And inside we have probably over 150 offers in here that you could get access to. So there's one place that you can try to find offers that are in your niche. Another place that you should look at is Clickbank. This is a information product network. They have a ton of products in here. A lot of people have started on Clickbank and have done very well. This is the affiliate marketplace here. If you click on this, you can see all of the types of offers that you can promote as an affiliate. So if you're looking at something, let's say in self-help, you can click self-help, and then you'll see all the available offers available. And if you want to promote it, you just click here, and you'll be asked to set up your account nickname here, as well as your tracking ID, which you'll get if you create an account at clickbank.com. So you would enter in your information here, and you click create, and then you have your link spit out, and that's what you would use in your promotions. You can also arrange what's popular. You can also go by high gravity. This means how many people are actually making money off these offers. So the higher the gravity, the better they are in terms of promoting. More likely that you're going to have some success here. So if you look for high gravity offers, you can pretty much find any type of offer in any subject on clickbank.com. So this is a great place you should definitely check out. Some people run Amazon affiliates. These are I find they pay out a little less commission, but if you can't find a product anywhere that you want to promote, I'm pretty sure you can find it on Amazon. Another place you'll want to check out before you join a network is if you have a product that you want to sell but you're not sure where to find it, come on over to this site here, offervault.com. These guys specialize in displaying all the available offers on CPA networks that have joined this site. CPA networks pay a lump sum of cash to have their offers promoted on this site. So if you enter, for example, if you want to, let's just say you want to sell flashlights. If you search here for flashlights, you'll see that all of these offers are available, and you can see over here all these networks that are here that have flashlights. So if you were to click on any of these networks, you could join and sign up and promote the offer that you're looking for. So before you sign up to a network, you could also see if the product is available directly from the advertiser that owns the product. If you're still not sure what are the best networks, you should definitely do some research, because some networks are known not to pay. I know it's a rare situation, but every now and then there's some bad networks out there. So make sure you do your due diligence, search for trustworthy networks. You can go to Google and search, top CPA networks, and you can likely find some of the best here in the list. Places that you could likely do a little more research on. Maybe look on Facebook to make sure that they're paying. Check out their Facebook page, see if there's any major complaints. So the next step is to choose your network and sign up. Go through the process of getting your account made, and then we'll move on to the next steps.